don't forget that it's not about one demon, one devil's heart. It's about the people. Once you bring it to the public, Asaboro, it has nothing to do with one devil you are trying to refer your message to. It has to do with everybody. So you have to choose between the majority and that one devil you are in battle with. Because that one devil already know what is going on, twisting it in your head, while you having those people on your side. You are wondering, oh, they don't matter now, the devil they talk to. No, not be like that. You have not battled to that level where you will say, okay, now balance, I'm dealing with the devil alone. No, you have not battled to that level. Asaboro joined this group of people with their nonsense they are doing. That was when they connected Asaboro to this man that Ekobete know. Ekobete knows this man. I don't know how they get to know, but now we have heard that the man is a doctor. He gave her medication. He's a destiny helper to her family. The man obviously has a long role and a big role to play in Ekobete family. Okay? And Ekobete now wants I guess the guy wants a wife. So connection, madam, she's looking for different girls to give. When Asaboro come in contact with them in the same group, she thought Asaboro is somebody she can control. You know, they gave Asaboro to this man. My own theory, I'm explaining to you guys after all I've heard. She gave Asaboro to this man. To her surprise, they fell in love. And you know, men are very simple. When they like you, they open up to you who they truly are. Asaboro now come to know this man real identity. Asaboro now come to know the man. The man now like Asaboro. Asaboro now like the man. Now their relationship start getting tight. Madam that did the connection don't want that. Or she has seen it that Asaboro is not a person she can control and still be in the life of this man the way she wants or the way she is. So now she don't want Asaboro. Asaboro cannot be. After they have tried to give the man different girls, including Plastic Gloria. They connect Plastic Gloria and other Asian girls. One even try, they say the man beats that one to coma. Okay? The man beats that one to coma. It didn't work out, blah, 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 blah. And this man happens to like Asaboro. All this I'm telling you people, the video Asaboro did before, they are all inside. They are all inside. You need to understand what Asaboro is saying. Yes. Some of you will wonder. Outside the fact that people confirm them to me, all right, Asaboro already said them. But it's just that she didn't put name and label on them the way I'm doing. So now, Asaboro and this man, they have come to like each other. But Ekobete and the sister of this man, they don't want that. Asaboro knows Infinity. He was managing a page for a long time. When she fell out with Ekobete, her page disappeared and reappeared when Ekobete page disappeared. Okay. So Asaboro knows Infinity. She knows him. And also, rotting custard and milk has also confirmed it, which was confirmed when Infinity Saga identity was revealed, that he don't live in UK. Infinity Saga do not live in UK. He's not a UK-based man. So he cannot be a doctor in UK. Infinity Saga is not a doctor in UK. No. All right? They still have things they are keeping that they have not brought out. They know why they are keeping it. Now that they have succeeded in telling Asaboro, if you bring it out, you know the law, blah, 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 blah. All of that. Asaboro knows she has something to lose as much as they have something to lose. Both parties have things to lose. If anyone got angry beyond, that is why as they ought just bring the audio or video out, because if it take long, then go spoil for person and that's so we be. You understand? So Ekobete realized that she can no longer have charge over this man like she do now that the man is single. That's why she don't like Asaboro to be the man's wife or whatever those two are going with. Okay? She don't want that. Asaboro now is now upset that they are not allowing her to be with the man. You people should allow me. The man like me. The man choose me. Okay? He's now upset that they are not allowing. The man like me. The man choose me. Why are you people now on the way? You people should allow me and the man do our thing. They said no. They will not allow that. That is where this whole problem comes in. According to Asaboro, she forwarded the details to Ekobete. Ekobete now living in fear and bondage. If you watch her video, you will see the body language and everything. You know, it's all there. Unrepentant devil will not tell you, oh, I don't repent, I don't want to talk again. Ooh. And you will believe. And Bruce confirmed that they sent all the Kwekus to Ekobete. She has seen it. But now, because they have succeeded in whining at Asaboro, now they are showing shoulder to Asaboro now that they are going to bring Juju to cover up their destiny. I'm going to play one video for you guys.
Lolo.
Of Ambrose.
You did for life now. Let them bring the Juju first. Let them bring the Juju first.
It hurts their body.
Make them bring the Juju first. Now just people go spoil finish.
I will play it for you guys for you. 1 minute. Now, waiting I tell her to do 2 days ago for my update. Asaboro na person way I like. Yeah. Infinitely has been in many scandalous situations with other women on this social media, including
Otoma.
Who else?
What we give no What real life now. You call you Lolo. Even though he made to boy on a boat coming out of the car very soon was in bay. Since you only have Sabro your own master, we get down on it, get down with water and down your more. Okay. He's not supposed to just. He says always pussy. So that man, Asaboro know who he is. Me, I don't believe is Infinity Saga. Okay? It is not the Infinity Saga because that one now is clearly laughing that they use my name to do you like this, to do you like that. Do you understand? No. That Infinity Saga is living in Holland or Italy. That's where he is. Do you get? I think what he does it for UK. He does it for UK. He does it for UK.
Of the contract marriage she did to get paper. Easy. She knows if they report her. What I don't like about Asaboro, she always starts what she cannot finish. Her personal business. Yesterday I just gave up because Asaboro said she want use and make money, income be like say it's about money, no evidence. He's now living in UK. So as he moved to UK with his family, the next thing is to start sleeping with women all around. Something big is going on. Trust me, they are trying to cover up. They are trying to cover it up. That one is for sure. Tamaro for just bring out the video. If Naikobete show for don't go the way Infinity Saga is Solomon. He lives in the Netherlands. Thank you so much. Infinity living in what they call it in Holland. He has not moved from there. No.
Don't let anybody twist it. He is not living in the UK. No. No, he's not living in the UK. The real Infinity Saga lives in Netherlands and he's still there. He's still there. He has not moved to UK. I don't know. The youth for me, he lives in UK, in Netherlands, and he's not a doctor. Among the video that I shared that time, I shared where he was working. He's
Lolo, I know say you did for life. Now person call me say you did for life. To your explanation lead you that you explain now. But for me, Asaburo na my home. I know say Asaburo no get one thing with it tell me lies. You no get one thing with it they tell me lie. We have been into this matter for more than 1 year and 6 months. But nevertheless, since they want to take Asaburo say I like the talk as the video when I do finish before this video, we should wait for the results. They will come with their hand to come and fight themselves for people to know Asaburo is saying the truth. They will come with their hand, will fight with themselves for people to know Asaburo is saying the truth. Monica is a devil. You people don't know. I'm just telling the whole women or the whole guests in social media, and you people should be careful. Monica can use anybody to bring you down. He can even use a woman. Do you know how many women they have sent into my life? Do you know how many women they have sent into my life? They have not succeeded. As I did so, I said I want friend woman today. I must know if Papa know in Mama house. As they come my place, they want to come greet me. The woman will get small phone when he go put his SIM card. If he get picking me, they talk to them. If I want to carry go outside, I feel get a phone. If I dey come, I try the package and again. Because I be man where the naked is sleep. During cold time or every time the nick you are bound wherever for. I know if it is sleep me come carry me go give my enemy. If you don't born for me, he carry me go night picking go disgrace. They know the way to use people. And if they want send woman come for your life, the woman they will use money to pump the woman, may take money and entice you. If they want send man come your life, they will use money make the man make you fall in love. To your explanation, Lolo, where you don't find information rich, where you don't find some information. I know if something they happen like this, you are very good to look for information before you start to talk in your platform. When person come in and say you did for life, I press I like your team for there. I listen to the little explanation we don't drop. You know, say we will be woman. If woman join, man tell woman lie. Like godmother won't walk. Man for woman. Like say I get girlfriend now, or I get girl when I the toast. I get godmother. If you join me prepare woman, the woman will lose control. So for what did they happen for social media, what all of us they see now, a good move they learn, move they take from inside. As these people don't try to capture me, not that they see and when I go to come out for live video. Any woman come my place, it must show a phone. I go put on that pillow, I'll sleep on top. And I search the woman luggage. I search whether phone did for inside luggage. I search not be embarrassment. As I talk for live video so every day, if you get the opportunity to be with me, get them for myself. As this man is not for life, I must search your luggage. As you call your handbag, I go search them. Go to your private party, you bought my mind, do my phone like you wear. Go your charger, when you take the charge phone, I go look at whether now they still record the charger now. Your shirt, I go look at one whether you buy that small record the way you want to come record me for my own house. As the world come wicked now. If the see person wey dey talk true for live video, they find means where they want to bring the person down, or they want to make the person useless in the society. As far as me believer, as I know as I rich, I can't deny anything. We you know they tell me lies. The way they talk and wait the Ooo Epa Atiti gbe we wo wene. Ya wan wa gu we won lu dam ye gbe we wo wene. So I don't talk my own just time for the first video when I do. Monica with the Infinity Saga love the way the matter concern. They'll come this, you know, see every fight where they'll come to confess for this live video. Then now way they talk now. But for me, due to traditional moment when I be, I cannot be. A person before now today, a person send nakedness to me. I dey quarrel with them. I know say it go be like this. As everything they with me, I know the share am. But I know say you know the talk lie. I know say you know the talk lie. They pray me one thing, not suffer person for Europe. If the thing suffer person, where the person supposed to talk, you know if he talk for them. Just like me for 9 years. My enemy was in bondage. But today, as I'm in Europe, no one can boast, say, we'll go to the law place. Now, so they go, now, say me they go, I be more, yeah, the other way ladian, or the other way ladian. That's when I boy there, yo. They'll start to postpone. But anyway, no wait. Nothing God cannot do. What he will do for inside darkness. Now God will expose them to people, where people they see the truth. I made parable for the video, the course when I laid just now. After the video, when I did do this one. Where some people go to carry juju, say they not sleep with woman. Me we know I know they quite foul. The way they go carry juju, they quite foul, quite everything. But me we know the quite juju. I can't pronounce my word to the hair. But at times, between 3 months, when I see the truth, say it come out. As I just pronounce my truth just now. I just pronounce what I want to pronounce. I don't pronounce it. As I pronounce, I finish. Now person call me say Lolo, they for lying. I don't if you say, oh, with Lolo, they talk now truth. No. I don't if you say, now lie, they talk. But it's dancing to the exactly point. That's what I know. I don't know. But now, where they sort, with time come, the cause go follow now. A love can make a man to stupid. A love can make a woman to stupid. We only pray to not make the wrong hand. Me when I look so, when I see for scream so, when I separate with my girlfriend when I friend for 8 years, if you see me for street when I cry, I go they cry, they go when I work out for street. This I be small picking. I go they cry, they go for streets. Like if I go for street, I go they cry. If anybody when I say I go they explain it for them, I do explain it for them. So, what I know, I can do the best. I don't want. In the night, I will go to my stone side to go and do the rest. And we wait for the results. We must only see the truth. If they can't bring and come out by themselves, can't fight by themselves, nobody to hold responsible. Nobody to hold responsible that time. We're going to know the truth. And I believe they will bring out the truth with their own hands for people to know them as the evil in the society. Please, I'm begging man and woman. Those that want to go into a relationship, don't be stupid. think wise. Any man that you want to go out with, try to post it on her. If it does not ready, forget about the man. If not me, post me, go air. Now before I tell you, I don't want to post my woman, go air. I friend woman for 8 years, I not post her, go air. I not show her to the world. Because of nuisance, which some people they do for social media, we will they tell the truth, so we will they talk on the tell them exactly the truth. They pay them for, but they're going to insult you, they insult your family, they insult anybody way near you. That's why I don't want to post woman where. As far as I say woman where want come follow me, and I don't know that I did for social media. If it comes to it, I bring woman come to the insult. What did the woman go down to do for me? Me just sit down for your boy go make me. Oh, your boy go make me. That's the call. Anyway, on. Do you get me? If not, there be 50. I go catch them and go hold them. It's just the truth. Your ogun no go kill me. Egbe one. But me ariaka se me la dire ya gi asenu. You know say na me lay curse upon you. No listen to Lolo. No listen to him.
Not a doctor. He's a computer tech person. He is not a doctor. There is another doctor in UK, a single guy that don't have wife and children. Infinity Saga, the original Infinity Saga, he has wife and children. Okay? Infinity Saga is not a single man. You can change it for what really. In give on to that one. That one send them, go give a Kobete. Now, so now is it clear? Everybody understand the issue now. And the cocos now be that.
We don't listen to that. We don't listen
to
that.
The matter the hot, so they obey can't turn color for your own wife's video. Hey, bongo, ni bongo, ni bongo, ni bongo. Yeah. Now wow, wow. She said she not get any video. So they use the name Chop Adiro because now be the way what fake account where everybody they use and dump. Anyway, if you truly love Sabro, make him forget about anybody. No, you know, the man, no, it's not great. Okay, if you like Asabro, make call with Asabro. And you know the involvement where the man don't go involve himself with Omeme. Now, doctor, the man, you know how many anybody spoil reputation. Lord, did you see? See, all those people where they come and they blah 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 shit without evidence. I don't want to hear their name from my platform. I beg, and they beg now. All those on a blah 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 shit, now they call them. Talk with evidence, man, they make sense to me. Talk with no get evidence. I know 1 year. No. I know 1 year. I'm much more from office chair and co limited. No, my darling. Make us have a buy new SIM with cash. Put inside. Make they share. No, now as I don't to involve himself. Put internet, use them, post them. No, he don't to involve himself because obviously it looks like she's the only one that have it. When she
he cannot do it again. But the best way now, they want to confess with themselves. They'll confess, complain with their hands. That time they know see person who responsible. Now be with you, which I can't do after the video when I do just now. In the night, I'll go do the rest finish. Not be everything with the glinter. Mostly if you follow Godmother, you be man. You be woman, you follow Godmother, no woman or man. You know the work. Jealousy must come, wait time come.
Where all of a sudden, it don't change. It might not be sharp again. There is something hanging on her head.
You don't understand.
There is a big shame and disgrace.
You don't understand.
So she need to respect herself. You understand? Because you come better one and no. Eh? Na true do. No. In dey go carry juju because you know say all those mumu wey dey platform na the only language wey dem dey hear na be that, and they go carry juju. Make Asaboro shift. You don shift since now. You know say I say no get man to talk again. Why the doctor dey fear Kobete now? Because Kobete hold something about the man. Also possible, woman wey the man beat people for coma. If you come start to dey shout, and I know say you get different way to take shout A to Z. You can't carry the man picture, you can't bring her come out, you can't call the man woman beater. To be a doctor is not easy. These are the things I always say. You carry yourself, go dey associate with the
If your boss say they come bring and come in last sense, they all season they'll drive for work. If you don't know what he did. Who is this person? Hello? Eh? Hello, good evening. Yours do. I don't laugh. I did listen to a lot, I did play a voice for you. Hello? I did listen to a lot, I did play a voice for my platform. You forget about it. Don't worry. Everything will be okay with Asaboro. Don't worry. So, me you write on day she let me write on day she tell her say me write for a lot of platforms say the okay say I just screenshot time for this side. Me they know go okay now later. No later now. Okay, ciao.
You bring her come and sell. You don't spoil the man's reputation. The man beat somebody to coma. Yes, they say now semi madman, now even be said.
Lolo,
I go is in my court. Man, if you beat man to coma, that be madman. Then the man no one marry you Asaboro, he don't throw away you. If people go bring the man picture out soon, as people don't get clue about the man. The man a doctor. If he beat person to coma, he go don't lose in pin by now. But they not talk and come out now. They talk and come out. Maybe they don't carry the girl go hospital, go put one big lie. Now this will happen, now that will happen. They don't they bribe and they share money. That's where give them million. But they not talk. They share money. They share 5 million. Now there is something there. There is something there. And probably they beg the girl for underground too. But the man say nothing marry the girl no matter what. And so we are here when you are now. Yeah, so now we talk to Lolo way for you the story. Because I know the
Lolo. All of you we're gonna wait. There's nothing hiding under the sun. We know the comments. If you have a session, you go run come out with the sun, they beat you well. So we will know the truth very soon from now to 2 months, 3 months. We will know the truth. They will go confess with their mouths. When they say Asaboro they talk lies, so we now come see the real truth. Say Asaboro don't know how to lie. Asaboro is a simple person that joke with everybody. If you understand Asaboro, it's my sister, my friend, my pet.
Hey, make una listen to Ambrose. Ambrose make a woman. Hey, Ajina Junior. Baba kutete bite bure.
Yeah, now tell you say wait you want to also gonna wait.
Oh my phone.
Wait,
I will disown him. Ambrose Ajala say na Dido na him wife they survive. He get them plenty. So dog is man. Hello. You are blessed. A day life. You don't even know what they talk. That they cook. That the cook want to contribute to my people and they don't know the topic. Only in Uruguay now.
Una see wayo. Una see wayo.
Okay,
Yesterday I do this video. Now I do this video.
Say, you know, all my ex-boyfriend and my future boyfriend and even the one where they do hide. Now we they try to look for years. So. Okay. And they try to look for the proof. They make enough your you talk. He say he go beat me if na me get wetin he get back me don't believe. Me come dey wonder why he never believe my own. And he no get husband, me go believe. Me wey get husband, wey get something to lose. That's Saburo no want believe.
But listen first, my question is this. It doesn't matter what anybody claim. I hope they are hearing me, right?
They are hearing you.
Fine, it doesn't matter who claim what story is told. It's all okay. So long I am not the one that say it from my mouth, I cannot be held responsible by God or by nature. So if it is you that have so much on Iyeki and you have that very dangerous weapon, why you not kill Iyeki make you don't die? Right now we put it in area. No. You see that you go to it and you call you some man talker. Are you okay? Una do okay at all?
Oh, 1 hour 30 minutes.
Instead, may you believe everything put for us and make we.
Instead, make believe everything put for side. Now they say I see with your wife, they stay. You not get work with the work. You go for backyard now. They call your wife. Say you want control me, they can't believe. No worry, your wife with Infinity Saga. All of them now go to everything with time reach. All of them now will come confess. Say what you do to this our sister is too bad. Those when they dey for outside, when they find viewers, we don't know the exactly things when they happen. We don't know as everything be. Last 2 months, I mean last 3 months, where this thing won't come up. We won't come up. As he do video 2 times, 3 times, Monica run come and come attack him. Cause they pull life for here. Now run come out. No. Threatening, police, everything. Daughter. So now, since it don't be like this, my people, I don't talk and they'll come confess with their mouths. We will hold on. We will take a look as it want to happen. When something happened for this social media months ago, some people they carry Ojuju swear for Queen Top show. All of them know they carry go Ojuju place. But wait time come, I say they come confess. When I not consider the confession, wait time reach. When I go carry Papa, I go come up for his house. Some medias they insult me. I don't even answer them. Wait till I pronounce. I say they'll come confess. Wait time reach. When I not see the confession. When I see the confession. If you they insult any Asabura enemy now, I don't tell them me not talk again. But wait till I reach where you insult and so. All those costs, it did for your house, you never come up for your house. Because I know see a person will know they talk like. Fine. As me be that I know they hide my home. I know they hide my home. Woman with me friend for 8 years. Because I know if we go church. When he come out, I dey cry like small pikin. I dey explain to help people. When I jam me pikin for road, the pikin they cry, me they cry. You know pikin when you train, me we can get that day. Big boy, they cry, me they cry. So you are my father. See, if you can go to church, I say I don't feel go. I still tell you, I cannot go to church. I cannot leave what I'm doing because of any woman. So love, thing of a love. can take person to anywhere. I not blame anybody, but if you no afraid man, no will be woman now. Make una the poster for her, my lovely husband to be. Make una the poster for her, my lovely husband to be, or my lovely wife to be. If it is any cruise, if this kind of thing they happen, we go know where we are going to start from. Let's just look into this request. Hello. Hello. Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hello, Jenogi. What?
Madam.
We call Jenogi Obukinyaji.
Happy Sunday.
I wish you the same.
Mata asaboro na mewe oni mewe contribute yo we ne mebe. Ise o. Imege asaboro wo not depressed.
Oh, I can listen. I'm depressed.
Okay. If you give me answer, I understand. Mege wo no depressed. Then mental issue here o me man.
No. Sometimes in life sometimes in life.
No forgive no raw, How can asaboro beni ewa here ki paseni? Oga detoma. O yema wani ga date. Waveni mege matana na me mashoge diri infinity saga. Asaboro ga date. Oje na mi we o majine ne infinity saga ya date asaboro.
Omo no asaboro date on a picture. Because when I born on my a lot when my maybe a Europe or look even me women is quite different. A UK with the women is quite different. So imani ka bo expose them no mugbe. But a video me we video on me awe me yo ni ado yunu yaka. Na make that beg want and raw.
Okay.
When if you saw us on social media wa ekporio, ina ka me ado yunu yaka. What you asunu we?
Tami yo.
Ina do yunu yaka na do no kwere abi. Wazigbe. Egeni ege kaya wa bowo o wana mu inikedness on alania o wana feel na ege kaya wa bo won gbe were o. So you can contribute your contributors are allowed.
Okay. Another one me aveta o advice me are na ya fefe o ke ni dame yo ke no we mi video na leta. We bona ni maware na when you know wa keke ma we no keke ma o. I dey tell everybody tamagmo ya. Mama no like webo. Eje no like webo. To wa the 6 months ya kon the family. Wa lo pe ma re o gba ni mo ma me wa ko build the life ikugbe. Understand? Ame ga saboro na ege ti ege na te ke na fa asaboro na ya for levity. Na ite na saboro na te ke gwa mo ye gi koko wo wa. Na wa gbozo. Akwa wa gbozo. Asaboro ri o ka yi no a.
Olugbo we wa saboro yi.
Epa asaboro aya the let assume asaboro na 30 years. Mo boy. Mo boy. Oya gwa lebi no we. Amata meta. At least omoko we got 28 years in the mena amoko any me ya be logi me watana 28 years in me be for never water mother yen like mo ya ferry opa no bama we carry here with 30 years 32 years or we momo bo pa no me vane mother san asaboro we aka me we power saboro 30 years yeah 30 years na
but when we even we are when we are everyone we are go pass me ayi years ago 10 years my agreement in me bene I will not marry I stand into it again ya me bena e me we na do re date me rule marry again wo ki me akpa me marry okuni igwe na mgo yo won ebere na mgo yo won wa when I make church that season my boy ni ima e break abi but now me tane we imam ye bene ni mo pe ariwa ni ya mugo yo ohun imoku ariwa ya mugo yo ohun beni mi bina ku ari be mo pa ya mugo yo ohun Even tap me going me tanning. So we can't come where we were town and we better.
A power when we were done and I'll be away. But where I did take a decision where only me not equal or 20 years or years of a boy can yard you go. Okay, I won't be alive. Okay, I 60 years on you, 50 years a day you were by.
Well, when we are a yard planet and okay, he said to do where if you're with your ball, everybody has your plan.
Mommy, I need here we 20 years ago, now 50 years ago, you only 1 year we 20 years ago, 50 years ago. Most of them they plan their life wrongly in terms of marrying, in terms of settle it down, in terms of many things about their life. Understand?
But anything will come away. When we're every nakayamu, area say. Osaba seti when I go yata lele. Osaba seti do real done where the mere way. Or you they meet up with him and no car not you put 10 years ago.
Epa when asaboro jena o my god le be bogi me with you or me. Asaboro my marry. O ma take a no we involve pay or this live video this thing.
Listen. Mabe wono Jenny. Mabe wono Jenny. Listen. Ewuna Jenna ewuni aje wudoni. Wa a live video. E mabe wonu we kana ni we uma wona support invite gbe live video. When we a live video we involve gbogbo ira we no gwan na ni we man.
Live video presenter ni ya uni. Saloba me la ha. Iba ka ga evi down.
But ya know what akpania, eh? No we ya saburu we live stream ogani. We me be e mani ke ya we live video gan. E yo ya wo ga we me o be yo.
Yes, asaburu na no we ba me na eh. E ga no na da so e ba ti ogana na o. O ga e ti me risi mu na eh. I me ri EPCJ we mana da me message ogene. Mais il s'est stay on education message.
Okay. In a rebel education message ni the evil ni a plan they not go into it.
Okay. Epa, when you not see all this live video, all those live video presenter we tabana we have me education this thing and I show or that debate kere. Any affair now. Oh, I'm here so now. I'm big go now. Big so. Then the Jenny's please the general no we back here. Then they throw that woman every time. But you were me with doctor. All of the live video. All of the contributing. Not the way a few people when if you people do what with it bear. Oh, that Olivia this thing. Understand?
EJ, when we don't hear, a live video is not a crime. So far you know the way you stand in live video. When one or wag any live video man or live video where you walk back here fe o salogwa on ya go man unwa ko ye no gi obokin aje ko ye wa bokin la wo je a point in wa loni o wa live video ni wada ya o para gbon ya mi o pa wa gbon na that's what I believe. Asabo is not a bad person. He's very kind.
A nice person, no, but sometimes
they lose. Let my when Megina. Again, Asabo na dari no na we me here. It was going fine. Sometimes, even no boy at your money, una rule we meaning. Very plan work, you know. No affect you without.
I wish you the statement of Banu make it, but why you ever do whichever time Atiti say. Like we how long go wait baby webo?
10 years never been
10 years. When we not see any no egwi social media magina egwi yo. Thank God they will be put me ma. On the statement put up where Manila Weibo 20 years ago, 20-something years ago. When you are planning
It went most of them. Imagine everybody. Most of them.
Well, you know, generalize everybody. Most of them. Or it's even concern a man so no have here or no here. It's not done that way. We are good time. Or my concern in there, or my affect in there. I'm saying it because that most of them, I might be among of the most of them, not like we both for 30 years ago. You understand? And okay, where mama planning, most of them, my planning life in Yanseni. I can't blame me where my planning life in Yanseni, who die, my family, and if I may say it, my sister, don't be offended. I'm really apologizing. Accept my apology with all your heart. If I may say it, you might be among of these people. Normally, get that most of them even planning life in your Weibo. I've been Weibo now, 10 years now, 5 years, 2 years ago. They contribute to those problems. Normally, get what the people planning life in your Weibo. Those 30 years ago, 28 years ago, I'm 32 years in the Weibo. You understand me? That one banana la jana na do how most of those people need like Weibo begin me. Yeah, like Weibo ni a life in any other plan in the Weibo my plan and say my sister will come out with all my chest where no, that statement is wrong. I know you didn't say everybody. Anyway, you understand? I'm not trying to prove you wrong, but that statement, because many people they are still suffering today. Because of they came into abroad. I will put myself included because we came into this country with pain. We came into this country just to take our family out of suffering. Most of us stretch to Lagos. Most of us in America know where Doji Amawek in Lagos. Most of us, a family, rent. Village. Most of us, when we come to this country, the first thing we are fighting for is how to bring our family out of poverty. We don't think about marriage. We don't think about even surviving on our own. What we are after is to take our family back home out of poverty. The business in one the school no show a post a Western Union at that back we will there. And I fear my sister. Because I can prove it. Emani me chemni bagane TSH me ya we go show it to me. TSH Emaniga ame ma the Nigeria bagani. Maga identify cream. Aki no do roll ori you we body lotion ni. Udo ye TSH ya post cream ni. Post Nigeria. Nobody advise us how to invest. Nobody advise us how you can use your money. Nobody.
Okay, yes, I'm not
all what they were after, you go there, and we were enjoying sending that money back home just to help them. Okay. You understand? My sister, I go where we all allow what we
if they were saying, no matter the approach to move you understand. Really touch me. Onye we na mi we ekenu we ke mi eri me kwa se na is ekeni ke sota o we ke sota statement in your mind iwe we bo na
it's a topic in Watade oman west when you by my home and for many atam in my social media in my case in Oroto. Mami point in no water, if you do with Baba, I would don't know what you do. You have the tour by concealing on your plan. Ever would die while you do at the we by Dali.
Even the Mekaya more, Minimeta, where we put on imagine or my water na wune family and I will know we don't
want trying for this time.
My darling, the first year, you like we put on your plan on weapon with beer.
That is this time, my darling. You don't want gezo la epic gezo.
Epic
My darling favor.
Listen,
You don't worth dying for. You don't worth dying for this time. My dear, again, taking my family out of suffering, it was worth dying for.
Okay.
It was worth dying for. Everybody can bear me weakness. If I didn't lie with it was worth dying for. Because you know the suffer where you leave your papa and your mama. I'm talking about 92, 93, it was worth dying for. Because in here, they suffer. But it was worth dying for. But it is this time now. This time where I said to Luya,
pay 45. You pay go. You can do anything you can do anything you want to do. Okay.
I'm not quarreling, I'm not trying to it's just that the way it was hurting me.
Okay, it's okay now. Next, it's okay now. The next person on road to no you no ba. Yeah, okay.
Sister, I have a good woman. Yes, or no, okay. You made a statement. This is woman to woman. You will not say, where are Saboro is now? Also, now we are married. We are not married. Why not? What did she do?
If no, you have a statement, legal fear will know every. He where any of him again, to say the truth, as Saboro is a very nice person. Why life in animal vision and everywhere when we get so, if we are getting more than a discriminate this manipo. Manipo on the internet.
Okay, yeah.
I ever use the comments in the auntie.
Okay.
Okay, why
you cannot say so. You cannot say so, Mama.
Asaboro is very smart.
You cannot say so. You don't know Asaboro. If you know Asaboro, if you know Asaboro, you will be proud of Asaboro, madam. If you know Asaboro, when not to if you know Asaboro, you will be proud. You know somebody. I'm telling you the truth.
My sister, one after no way.
Baba.
No, he I show that we're make it sense, but the madam in the Agu Guapa, my dear, my book, where Asaburu. Now, when I knew where they don't do your room, you boss your man.
Kakabo?
Because Asaburu may keep me a resume generality on that. But just when me be, when a woman, I am weapon or two bomber. Man, the bougie with social media. Kakabo. ya mwebono tukbama.
Kakabo.
Obiere mare no madu bomu wa aka fredo ya maka fredo gbe aka lo ya maka lo ya madu bomu we. Understand it? Obiere na we me we wan be 40 years be ma so 60 years be ma so 50 something years be ma matter. Obiere je wo ma to no ma but e ke social media na we kwa so ma kwa se o. Ni ajo la ni e ta wo ma gwa ta se o. If you take a towel, or tell if you are a such a towel, I don't fear with your boy. All the problem is social media now. What the boy will not massy, my way here, my reality, when we know go. What do we mean, Yanni, my Yanni, it's so royal, we like you, so royal, we like you, so we are moving. This of Manaboya, Roy, when we did attitude. If I so run, no love you, if I so run, no marry like you,
Kakabo.
Even men of Ghana may like way, but based on one side. Because where to the
A party to Mount Yes, Nayasa guy, the social media. One of the one. Malalawa.
But what the way topic in one, they make cases and now like that we are because Atiti here for life. Mama Goya, life in it. Must for a baby one time, we want once. So we must know to write a book by Robert school. I just quack. No better than that way. I can know the only muscle war at Tarabo. Only one who my ear do I so to how they are to get to a body to when I just school, we are shaking in the school with you. Understand my brother, everyone no asaboro why to beg your money. My way mama coming back out that be but my offer the my offer the but I beg him at an attack and I beg you to do 40 years of 5 years of my piano one room I'm okay.
It's not right. No.
Not making sense. That's the what is the love?
This is woman to woman.
Yeah. That is right. When they go, shut up your mouth. Don't mock anybody that you don't have anything. I don't mock anybody who was saying, why are you saying, it's your own life.
I have my head that was no my married, no my dear.
Where's my brother?
Lucky, man.
And Nirule, why
call you.
No more. Nirule, your woman talk because he did busy. I had it to it. And the only ties that the reason one and I'm here way, ni guru for many years. He only who was a Biana Mubon was a for Nigeria. Are you getting me?
Yes.
If we are a problem, in life in my what I'm about to say is that when a woman see where they are criticizing a woman like you are supposed to stand for her. You are supposed to fight for her. As a Buruna, I'm not a follower of her. I don't know her. Normally, a video will flash to me sometimes. I'm not a friend to her. But at least, I'm more common like Bona. Tomorrow, my then are you getting me? Or done well when we argue tomorrow, man, no soon. Are you getting me? And I need about 20-something years ago, 22 years making a weapon. Although I wasn't having any family one, level one. But good. I don't have any reason to say when my family or I think family did not cost anything, man. But there are some way all Lela Webo Dera DJ Rudote. You know, they members and they saw on I'm here 50-something thousand, 60-something thousand. And I'm here one Irena, the Baba Seve, Buwa, Unuwa, they tata. Exactly, Unuwa, they were here 10 years down. Just watch them. In America, Mitiawa, in Alia Europeawa, in Adoria Kemni Mechenawa, in Alia Tabiwa, in Alia Yawa, 10 years down. Wano. Again, in Mananina Ro, Ketavision Medova, 40 years, 20-something Megina. Again, I'm not here, respect it. I want Irena Naduatia Bonipia, Wadua. aki okporo yo piare genia egeme ya wa emani me ma o ku etie bone wa that means we not wa we not wani rena ido amu ikpi agboto wa do sie wani la wa odo sie wa are mi je wa ho yo ha kere na me ka mwe o ga mwe bogun gbere no gbagbo wa sun wa no he di jeme wa no 10 years that wa no. Are you getting me? So left in Nana, I kill my Jimmy. I kill my. Are you getting me? My railway for 20 years, 30 years. Now me what my team make who I am next year family of Miyako.
Mommy, Mujane. E maso in atawe o mase o mamodo. E manomodo no pupa wodo. E okuno opiano okuno pupa wodo yan yiro wodo me de na. So, what do Sabo Wogani? What do Sabo Wogani? I take 2 minutes.
It was not interested. Not interested. 100% approved. I wrote it on my
sister. In case somebody send the Kumepa. And Kiona, who is your better one. And what happened when I went to last year, we were not going even more. In a man like it, none of even one name. When I remember my all the time, where you want. Going on, papa.
So if you only clarify man, if only clarify man, Asaboro is very good person to me. It's very nice. It's what way in that handbag or him. And every told him, man, even no sununa. Since or David Yanane, he come at money. Was in for not 6 months. Yan do you near gear, Magbon. Yan do you near Camagbon. He can't wait, boy, you are only. We are jogging boya. You know, we are doing your car. For you for people to believe on whatever. They didn't renania. He come as a body, don't talk to give forget. Here I am my body. Again, to be me. Here come any more not in why so I blame ya.
When I said not by Macaroni, the man come with the mother was not there. Not for but when I said Ambana, that's how good with the women. In case I'm not such a you all let her now we are misunderstanding of Macaroni. But well, it can matter, not a key, and an attack. And I grab the woman who not with them now. Oh, and you want Kakabo and no. I was my way car and it's in my room. Kaku when we one up. Because young one, no, oh no, Bamas, no belly. Yes, I said the time I went now. You want to show me that I do what they give me. But when in the yard, I'm waiting on a southern one and go and one pot. You only go everywhere. As I borrowed with one with that, go on out. We are a man and we are very good with everybody. The very good person, eh? Yeah. I want my coming with a door in my bag, you can't buy the body, social media, you know, you are going.
Who is he? Who is he? Who is he?
When I make one of my women come here with them in any way, but he barely one moment are okay.
Who is he?
I want to talk. Want to talk. Want to take Bemu.
Who is he?
I like you. Only way I like you was who take Bemu. Only way I like you at a ball.
Who is he?
Who take Bemu? Who is going to talk? If you can't cannot no jack, you will be talking. Only you like over you. You better laugh by or you have loud. You only loud when we contribute here.
Who is he?
Laugh. Who is he?
Who is he? Who is he?
Forget me the matter everywhere.
Who is he?
I'm mark it. Let us borrow you. Every time I know mail pot, he beg work Kakabo. I know my brother.
Where is Baba? So about the power. So, if you do no contribution, no ga gwan here ban egwu guma gwan fo no ra no re se
yeah Domosa. So even the only time who mostly I mean one and 10 years down, 15 down. At least when you are we karatani and possess in a year in Sunana me away, or who I want la Jawa so I'm because why or you wow get you getting it. And we bomadi have no to Rihanna and I mean we manage joy work bene, a relationship boy work bene here and there, trouble here and there.
La WhatsApp ni yen do mu video na. Okay, by one yen do mu.
When you to be it's high time women should learn that women should stand for women. And not only women, you also stand for your own person, like as in your own brother, your own sister. Why give you Igbo? Why give you Yoruba? Why give you Turkish? And you get why give you Moroccan? Binane, Benya, love it, Mia. Yes, why here? If you can Cameroon, talking, you know, you don't just come up and run down a woman. Exactly. You don't just come up and run down a woman and say, do you know? Like my sister, they were 10, 50.
These same people, no, this social media now. No color. They don't want other people to speak. They want to square other people. They want to bring other people that they don't want people to say.
Why is this not doing this to a woman?
Oh, ime we not take when meje. Wabe we ya agwe, we ya agwe gwan. Ime we not take one for make gwe gwan.
It was too painful.
No, to the extent you are, it's like you are laying a cause anyway. If it's your brother, with your brother marry her, hello.
Yes.
What is wrong with her?
If you go back to my comment, I say if my brother see 100% approved.
Listen, let me tell you something. And when we have no gwani ya wo one way on the social media, if you happy to get person like me on the social media, you will be the best person on earth.
Me, I love people. It is very best.
Now, when you prove you are stubborn to me, that's why we deal with you.
They are very dangerous. They are dangerous. When you meet with men that talk, I mean, they will be more peaceful.
You will see everything that is going on. They are poking her. And she will say it bad the way she says it. It was so painful the way that man was just talking. I have to come up.
Opportunists. There are a lot of opportunists now in this Europe.
Okay, yeah, give go for anyway.
Because I was really in tears because my social media type, you understand? That thing was just somehow. So the only point I could
Mama, it was painful, I know.
The only thing I could be able to pick were using that statement where the money lie with for 30 years, they did plan their life. It was the salty. I don't know the
salty. If voice me ga only pick. If voice ga only pick. If voice ga only pick ni e dey agi ohun re. Ina we are going
a commercial central and Adam or pension necessity. Open a pension where you who you know when in a give in a matter where sick or give you away or an even in a way open a family in a domain book by Brosson Yaker. Ye or where no why never have the me or Benny Yam your Mowato or Wako. No why I will hear no pressure not you. Or my poor brother. Or when in depression, I don't know what's swimming. But yeah, we don't buy or what was sister Harry, we don't buy the raw, nothing, Harry. I mean, you got my way come flag in over man. Yeah, while like depression and like eh? Are you getting okay? Also know that when we boom a journey that time. A journey may not worry. 92 a journey not worry. Also know that when we boom a journey kakabo. Kakabo. I'm a family frustrate. We
are not saying.
How can you use that statement where most of the people need lie about 30 years?
Even as a family as a frustrate as a Yama for school.
Exactly.
So, in your,
you know, because here social media person in my home once in a while they like TikTok. My mama no why they hanania. If I type you know that you do one statement in the one matter. Why will you say that? And then men like Jenny, you have to work in the Donald Jenny.
I don't know.
call you.
We are the supermarket in the Jenny when I day. Who keep out of your wedding? Why are you step? Who keep out of your mobile? I will invite back here the Jenny. They come out to the hill. We are the left, not by the right. Oh, I get one. Why can work on boyfriend is like any whether me boyfriend? And boy, then when you go. A boy, no, we are there, me. A boy, and a boy, no, here, no, ya will be. Oh, what do we have there? We are will be. Why can I go to a friend? I mean, I don't even hear another word. He can't do a boyfriend in your plan in life. Very nice, you know.
He got though, I agree to you.
That statement was very wrong, very wrong. Okay, well,
but she was just talking. She was just talking. Not like when you're not talking. Okay.
I mean, you only talk 28, so we have be alive for now. Be alive for now at the age of 28. At the age of 28, 28 years. He may also go to marry you in Nigeria. He may also go to marry you in Nigeria when I will be alive for now at the age of 28.
Mama, university. I said, why?
We are more common.
I'm here because of my sweet mommy, King Edo. You guys are good afternoon, ma.
Okay, now me the talk. King Edo, kuna melka Sylvia. Agwan. Sylvia afternoon, but do the talk.
You're my very good friend, though. I'm here, don't blog.
Oh, I know your police. Yeah, if we have the notification, we're honey, are in winner. You're living corner.
Yes.
Wow,
because of I also want to say thank you for supporting me.
You are welcome. You are welcome, my lovely sister. You are welcome. I love your platform. It's really helpful, yeah? It's really helpful.
Thank you, mommy.
Thank you. Notification, honey, I never really doing great.
I really appreciate it.
You are doing great, my lovely sister.
Thank you, thank you. I see say you were sagging me last week.
Yeah, well, I saga you now. I saga you. I said me.
What did I do?
I said me you open cupboard why enter sack cupboard. You know why open cupboard why enter sack cupboard?
No.
Everybody.
I'm not a trouble.
Everybody.
Body days.
I know saga. You know say I play. I can't play. You know say I play. I can't play.
No. I'm not joking. I know.
Do other side.
We thank God.
Your voice is sweet this evening. It's sweet well. Do.
It's sweet.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
Okay, Papa. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, Mommy. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I love you.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Do. So you give me no go. You me go to go go my go.
Okay, ni manihu. Emi opa no we ken wala wo. The reason why nana me we most imanire we bona manire we manire we bona na nana me we emani puma o mighty sikino uno se ruda we me o na ri obo ni gbe wan me o na support each other too ma mu we magboto 3 ema don okay mudia o ye gugwenu nugwagbaze unu edo pave ni zo na wa mu egbo to bo tu bu epo pa we are worship epo ku wewe hello wa papa hello but wa mi obi ewo wewe wa unu yo boss yo to wa unu mu egbo to at least e man now
Mommy, e when we only ta, iga agwan ya boku ni kere. Emi bu ni only ta. Mabe a life in Nigeria. If you not see an lelo kuna, muna ma mo ku me, I don't like it because if you am money wa ku jealousy do re, ezo do re. So I avoid it. I better go by myself. Nina gbe mi ni. Una the message where we tweet up, una drop in there by but tia no tia me. Any woman or the acting. I can express myself in WhatsApp. But ni omana do muni me. Emi yana ga mana wa ku e. E go more than do muni mi yana ga ma wa ku ezo do re. Or it will not take place with me now. Oh, it will not take place. It will not take place with me now. I want to have a peace. Also, you know, man, and what I the normal cake give one. I do understand the mania.
Yeah,
so,
you understand the weapon. Every man for me, if you are you are a mature man, mature lady as in you know that who are so well here woman or man begging na go low. It may get way out to a mo who no where you are cool and you are who and I am here way I don't introduce a who look beer. Mere work a city wow, a city is nowhere exposed. Yeah, you cannot find a man. The sister go to bar, go to club, every church, just go to bar, go to church, go to club.
What pressure was shop? What pressure was shop? Okula wa ya wo. Okula wa ya wo. Kaka boy, you deceive me man, we are church yo. Oh, we are club.
If I come back and have a milk, should I shock you guys a gym? Go to gym, you see us some men. We are waiting in all the hello. How are you?
Oh, Okula we do the key, man. They Jimmy the where do you know? They Jimmy the where do you?
Go if you define woman, go gym. We are here, we are one away. Isha. If we are researching, me not researching. When nobody want to, you give me frack, boy.
Ijo, decided when I gym, decided when I gym, mama.
Because Jimmy we are here for we were dead. So I will shape you original way, good figure. We man need the Jimmy now. Oh, we were there. Africa figure in a way need to keep fit. Are you getting me? Because then a way your man need to know exercise to make the heart, you know, moving. Are you getting me? Because of one year I don't matter where man you are winning the way. Oh yeah, actually before you know scatter. One go by yourself, look for one like the garden boss. I you have when you are why you call it fear woman? Why you do a more? My sister, how are you? I just like you. Please, can you give me your number? Oh, we know why.
Oh, we know it. You will go away.
And you must say,
I think the man even wow
but you get my tradition, they are born and know for that. Are you getting me? It's not a taboo, it's not a bad thing. You get my point. But where I hate most is women in this Europe. Are you getting me? It's not supposed to be so. Then you may join a time of them, in your way, my way, no matter enemy, equal, and work, but because enemy who me life for my Z. Oh, my is it to be in
Ave go moda. You know what I want to know? Ave go moda de banoro social media na. Oh, mukwedoria.
Oh.
Okay, not deal with you. I deal with you. Oh, affecting a rowa. With automatic kind of rowa.
Epa, where can your answer go moda? Who can't hear you? Who can't go wako de
e go moda not your police now. Why? Not what for you. What me? Oh, give me a with go moda. E go moda na moda wa. Not what that for police was that for. I will go moda.
Or godmother na here to supportive of of your life. Tomorrow, maybe this will God mother actually 200 when me and I go. Why will you do God mother for what?
Godmother no me boy. Oh, me boy.
Godmother pani me sebe. Godmother me sebe wo bo. We ga we be. Ni go no gasta ye we be me. Iya ke do si aso ma wo yi.
I didn't say I'm your godmother again now. I'm your godmother. They will be supportive to your life. Not only financially, morally, physically, spiritually, and otherwise. They will be very supportive to your life. We are proud.
But we go friend we go back to my godmother. A godmother wa gwa lo pe no 50 no ya money piari. Every tie pe we no wa dollar ni. Osunu da when emi on o se na pushi.